Prime Minister Narendra Modi today released the first installment of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin under the Pradhan Mantri Janjati Adivasi Nyaya Maha Abhiyan or the PM Janman to 1 lakh beneficiaries through video conferencing. President Draupadi Murmu is on a 3-day visit to Meghalaya and Assam beginning today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi conveyed his wishes on social media platform X on the joyous occasions of Makar Sankranti, Pongal and Magh Bihu. President Draupadi Murmu extended her greetings to the Army personnel, veterans and their families on Army Day. In sports, India's Yogesh Singh won a gold medal in the men's 25-meter standard pistol event at the Asian Shooting Championships 2024 in Jakarta, Indonesia yesterday.